Hello and welcome to a new home quality control educational video. My name's John Cooper. I'm the CEO of New Home Quality Control, a UK professional snagging company. We've been invited here today to Timloc Building Products to discuss the purpose and installation of weep vents. I'm here today with Izzy Cook, who is the marketing executive here at Timloc. So Izzy, can you give us a brief introduction to Timloc Building Products, please?
Yes, so we are a sustainable building products manufacturer for products that are built into the fabric of the house. We supply to house builders and builders merchants on a next day delivery service that sets us apart from our competitors.
Okay, so the first question we have for you today is, could you explain the purpose of one of your weep vents and the reason why weep vents are installed in new build properties?
Yeah, so the 1143 cavity weep vent is important because it ventilates the cavity and helps discharge water.
So my understanding is there's many different types of weep vents and they all have different purposes. If you can explain the different types of weep vents that you supply across the UK.
Sure, so we have our InvisiWeep, which is our most discreet wall weep. Then we have the 1143 cavity wall weep vent, which we've previously discussed. And then we also have our InvisiWeep NC, which is the non-combustible version of our InvisiWeep for when it's required.
I'd now like to hand over to Orlando Murphy, who is one of our UK inspectors.
Hey guys, so as we know, I love a weep vent. Now first of all, Izzy, could we please explain how you would install a weep vent?
Of course, so here we have our Adept Air display model and we will be installing an InvisiWeep over the top of the DPC.
So Izzy, could you please explain the implications of installing fake weep vents, please?
Yeah, no problem. A cavity wall weep vent has been manufactured and should be installed to meet all relevant building regs, standards and NHBC requirements. They're installed at DPC level and over window, door openings and at cavity tray systems at the recommended centres to discharge any water ingress and ventilate the cavity void. If the wall weep vent has not been installed correctly, this could lead to a build-up of water ingression and unventilated cavity that over time may lead to damp issues, which to rectify will create costly time-consuming works.
So how we identify fake weep vents is, first of all, we look above the weep vent and see if there's a slight discoloration in the mortar. If that is the case, we'll then put something inside the weep vent and see if we can feel hard mortar at the back. If that's the case, then we'll put some pliers inside the weep vent, give it a wiggle, and usually, 9 times out of 10, it'll come out. All whilst filming it all for TikTok. That is absolutely shocking.
So that's it from us here at Timloc Building Products. Stay tuned for more from New Home Quality Control.